Hello, I am Chuck the Chicken, the greatest YouTube sensation of all time. Hey, knock it off, man. You're not the only one out here trying to make a living. Clink, clank. Look at him. That's noise pollution, man. Shut up. I'm trying to work out here. I've got the arts. Laborer. Mr. Blue Collar. That's right, shut up. I'm trying to make the art. Bubba, go to Wawa or the 7-Eleven and get your cigarettes and coffee. I try to make art here. I think the neighborhood belongs to you. Push it! Got a puppet show. I need to make money. Assholes. Blue collar worker man, you suck!